In this video, we are going to solve the question for powers, roots, and the laws of indices. First, let us find all the square number and cube between 100 and 300. So let's starting with 11. So this square number is 121. After 11 we got 12 is 144, and then 13 cube is 169, 14 cube is 196, 15 square is 225, and then we got 16 square is 256, and the last is 17 square is 289. So these are a square number. The left side, just the way how can we find it a square number. So let's find the cube. After 100, I think let's try it 4 cube. It's gonna be 64. Okay, so this is not 4 cube, is 5 cube, which is 125, and then 6 cube is gonna be 216. Okay, so these are the cube numbers between 100 and 300. Because if we try with 7 cube, which is 7 times 7 times 7, this is gonna be 343. Okay, this is more than 300. So there it is. Okay, number 2, simplify it without a calculator. Okay, square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 16 is 4. So the answer is 7. Next, so this is bracket, invisible bracket. 9 plus 16 is 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Next, square root of 64 is 8 plus 6, which is 14. Next, inside the square root, this means invisible bracket, we need to add first. So it's gonna be square root of 100, which is 110. And then this invisible bracket, inside we finish it first. 36 divided by 9 is gonna be square root of 9, which is 3. Okay, square root of 25 square. So square root of 25 is gonna be 5. Make it square is gonna be 25. Yes, square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Okay, this is inside the bracket. So let us finish it first. 169 minus 144. It's gonna be 25 or 5. Next, cube root of 27 is 3 minus cube root of 1 is 1. So the answer is gonna be 2. Inside the bracket, this is invisible bracket. So it's gonna be 100 divided by 4 is 25. So the answer is square root of 25 is 5. Next, square root of 1 is 1 plus, okay, we should finish it. This is gonna be 3 over 4. Okay, let's add. It's gonna be 4 over 4 plus 3 over 4, which is 7 over 4. Okay, next, square root of 16 is gonna be 4 times cube root of 27. What number if we multiply 3 times is gonna be 27 is 3. So this answer gonna be 12. Next, square root of minus 5 square. Minus 5 times minus 5 is gonna be 25. Multiply it with cube root of minus 1, which is minus 1. So square root of 25 is 5 times minus 1. So the answer is gonna be minus 1. Next, we got square root of 1 over 4. So this means 1 over 2 plus square root of 1 over 9. So let's proceed it. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, which is, let's make it the numerator same, 6. 6 divided by 2, 3. Okay, it's 3 plus 2 or 5 over 6. Next, last number. Cube root of 1 equal to 1 minus cube root of minus 121, which is minus 5. So we learned it before. If minus with 1 is gonna be positive. So 1 plus 5 equal to 6. Okay. Okay, number 3, you need a calculator to do it. So let's start it. 13 square. Okay, this is A. 13 square is 169, and then 3 power of 5 is gonna be 243. So let's check it again. 13. Oh, not 13 square. 13 cube. Sorry, let's change it. 13 cube is 2179. So let us minus it with 243 is equal to 1954. Next we got 3 cube. We know is 27 plus 2 power of 7. It's gonna be 128. We just addition. It's gonna be 155. Next for C. Cube root of 64, which is 4 plus 4 power of 5, which is 1024. So let's addition. It's gonna be 1028. Next for D. Okay, we got 2 power of 4. It's gonna be 16, and the 16 we make it power of 3. 16 power of 3 is gonna be 4069. Next question for E. Let's find it out. What is 5 power of 4? The answer is 625 multiplied by which 5 roots of 32. What number if we multiply it 5 times equal to 32? Is it 2? So we just finish it. 625 multiplied by 2 is gonna be 1250. Okay, next question. 6. What number if we multiply it with itself 6 times equal to 729? So let's check it. 729. So what number is it? Let's check it. 700. Let's check it multiplied by 2. 729. Okay, so this is 3 because 3 multiplied by itself 6 times is gonna be 729. Okay, next multiply it with 5 power of 4 is 625. So just 3 times 625, this equal to 1875. Last question. G. What number if we multiply by itself 4 times is gonna be 625? You can use your calculator. So this is 5. So 5 plus 5 power of 5, which is 3125, is 3130. Okay. Next, a cube has a volume of 1. Okay, the volume 1200. The height of the cube. Remember, the volume of cube is the side power of 3. So this means to find the height, so just find the cube root of 12,167. So you may use your calculator. 12,167. So this answer is gonna be 23. And then the area of one face of cube, the area is the side square. So side we got 23. So let us make it 23 square, which is 529. Okay, you got it. Now, number 5, we just need to rewrite using only positive indices. This is a formula if you forgot. So a power of minus 1, this is going to be 1 over a. So a power of minus 2 is going to be 1 over a power of 2. Okay, let's proceed it. 4 power of minus 1 is going to be 1 over 4. This is going to be 1 over 5. 1 over 8. Here is going to be 1 over 5 square. This is going to be 1 over 3 cube. This is going to be 1 over 2 power of 5. Next, this is going to be 1 over 3 power of 4. It's going to be 1 over 8 power of 6. This is going to be 1 over 23 power of 3. And the last is 1 over 12 power of 4. Okay, there it is. Next number. Okay, simplify it. Leave the answer, use the index form. Okay, I would like to remind you a formula. If we got the same base like a power of m times a power of n, so we just addition the power m plus n. Next, if we got divided a power of m divided by a power of n, so we just need to minus it, the power. Next, if we got the a power of m and then we make it power again by n, so we just need to multiply it. And the last, we need to remember a power of 0 is gonna be 1. So anything we power with 0 is gonna be 1. So let's proceed it for a. So it's gonna be 3 power of 2 plus 6, which is 3 power of 8. This is gonna be 10 power of minus 2 plus 4, which is 10 power of 2. Next is gonna be 3 power 8 plus minus 5, which is 3 power of 3. Next we got 5 power of 0. It's gonna be 1, so we don't have to, okay, it's equal to 1. Next, 3 power of 2, because 1 times 3 power of 2 is gonna be 3 power of 2. Next, the same base, so 2 power of minus 3 plus minus 4, which is 2 power of minus 7. Okay, if there is no number here, that means it's power of 1. So let's proceed it. 3, 1 plus 2 plus minus 2, this equal to 3 power of 1, or we don't have to write it. Next, the same base, 4 power of 0 plus minus 2 plus 1. Remember, there is no power, that means is 1. So this is gonna be 4 power of minus 1. Next, 10 power of 2 plus 3 and then plus with minus 2. So this answer is gonna be 10 power of 3. Remember, multiply by 0, 3 power of 2 times 0, so that is 3 power of 0 or equal to 1. Z, 4 power of 3 times 4, so it's gonna be 4 power of 12. Next, 3 power of minus 1, okay, minus 2 times minus 3, so it's gonna be 3 power of 6. Okay, we got bracket first. Let's finish it. 4 power of minus 3 plus 2, so it's gonna be 4 power of minus 1, and we power again with minus 2, so it's gonna be 4 minus 1 times minus 2 equal to 4 power of 2. Next number is divided, so it's gonna be 10. 6 minus minus 3, which is 10 power of 9. Next, 10 power of 0 minus power of 4, which is 10 power of minus 4. Next number, 2 power of minus 4, we minus by minus 5. So this is equal to 2 power of 1. We don't have to write it. Next is 4 power of 3 minus with minus 3. This is equal to 4 power of 6. Now, write each value using a root sign. So just keep it as a root. So this is another formula A, power of n over n. So it's gonna be A, square root of A. Upper number, we will write it here. Second number is gonna be right here. So this is 3 and 1 over 2. But as we know, if we make it power of 2, we don't have to, power of 1, we don't have to write it. And this is square root. You don't have also to write it number 2. So it's gonna be square root of 3. Next, this gonna be 3 number here and then 4. Cube root of 4. Next, write it 5 here. 1 we don't have to write, and 9 here. 4. So write 4 here. Power of 3 and number 8 are here. Next, 4 here is gonna be 6. Power of 4 and power of 9. We should write it over here. Okay, next. This is opposite. So the number over here, we got A, this is M, N. So just make it opposite M over N. Remember, if there is no number here, that means what? If there is no number here, it means 2. So this is 7 power of 1 over 2. Next, this is 6 over 1 over 3. Good job. This is 8 power of 5 over 3. Next, this is 9 power of 3 over 4. And this is 5 power of 5 over 6. Okay, well done. Next, we need to evaluate. So we have to find the answer. So this is gonna be 1 over 5 square, which is 1 over 25. Next, this is gonna be square root of 81. Or the answer is 9. Okay, power of 1. So number 3 is gonna be moved here. Number 3, just flip it. Next is, wow, so it's gonna be 1. Power of negative. We should rewrite it as the power of positive. Let's rewrite it. It's gonna be 1 over square root. This is 7, 2, and 3. We need a calculator to do it. So let's find cube root of 7. And then we make it square. So this approximately 1 over 3.36. Next for E, just flip it. It's gonna be 2 square over 5 square, which is 4 over 25. Okay, 1 over 25, we can finish it. 1 over 25 is 0.05. 3 over 2 is gonna be 1.5. And here for the approximately, it's gonna be 1 over 3.36 is gonna be 0.29. Okay, 297. For the next, if we approximately is 4 divided by 25 is 0.16. Okay, here 6 here, 64. What number if we multiply it with 6 times equal to 64, which is 2. Okay, next 81, this is 3 and this is 4. So let's finish it. It's gonna be 3 power of 3 or 27. Okay, here just multiply it. 0.64. 1 over 2 times 2 is gonna be 1, so the answer is 0.64. Next, 3 times square root of 36, which is 3 times 6 is 18. Next, 3 power of 1 over 2 times minus 4. So it's gonna be 3 power of minus 2, or 1 over 3 square, which is 1 over 9. 1 over 9 is 0.111. Okay, here, still evaluate. We got minus 3 power of 4. So it's mean minus 3 times minus 3 times minus 3, 4 times. So it's gonna be 81 times 16, which is the answer is 1296. Next we got minus 2, 4. Okay, this is quite different. Okay, there is minus. So for the minus, we will not make it power of 4. So I just make it 2 power of 4. It's gonna be 16. So its answer is minus 16. For the next is different. Minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2 and then minus 2. If negative, we power it with the even number. The answer is gonna be positive. So the answer is minus 1. Next, 6 power of 3. This is 216. Next, we got 3 minus 3. Power of 4 is gonna be 81. 81, so just do it 216 divided by 81. Well, let's check it again. This is 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 times 6. Gonna be 216. And then 3 minus 3 we multiply by itself. Okay, so this is 81. So we can simplify it. So let us divide it by... okay, let's divide it by 27. So this is divided by 27. This divided by 27. So it's gonna be 8 over 3. I think there it is. We can go further. Okay, 8. So this is cube root of 8, which is 2. Next, this is gonna be 1 over 4, 2, 5, 6. So what number, if we multiply it by the number itself, is gonna be 256. Yeah, the answer is 4. So 1 over 4. Next, for f, let's make it here. So it's gonna be 1 over 125. This is 3, and we make it power of 4. So it's gonna be 1 over 5 power of 4, which is 1 over 625. Next, so it's gonna be flip. It's gonna be 4, and then square root, then power of 5. So 2 power of 5 is gonna be 32. Next, if negative number with fraction, we just flip. So it's gonna be 8 over 1, or we can write it as 8. So it's 8, it's 3, and then make it square. So it's 2 square is 4. Next, just flip. It's gonna be 27 over 8 cube. Okay, cube root. So it's gonna be 3 over 2. Well done. Flip it again. We can flip. So it's gonna be 18 over 8 square root. Can we make it simplify it? Okay, we can divide by 2. All of them is gonna be square root of 9 over 4, which is 3 over 2. Okay, well done. Next, the last. You may use a calculator. So this is gonna be 5 minus 7, and then you can write it divided by 23 minus 5 square, and then minus 16 divided by 2 cube. So this answer is gonna be 17. The next, 3 times 5 square, then we minus by 6, times minus 3 square minus 4 square, and then divided by minus 15. So it's gonna be 65. Next for C, you may use your calculator. Minus 2, and then we minus 3 square. After minus 3 square is plus 24, divided by minus 2, and then cube. So it's gonna be 15. And the last, minus 2, and then multiply by 3 power of 4, and then minus with 6 minus 7. So okay, let me show you step by step. It's gonna be minus 2, and then 3 power of 4 is gonna be 81 minus, inside the bracket finish it, minus 1 over 6. So this is gonna be minus 162 minus 1. The answer is minus 163. Okay, that is it. Thank you.